Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iOS 26 FaceTime not working. FaceTime is one of the most popular video calling apps for iPhone and iPad users. However, with the release of iOS 26, some users have encountered unexpected issues such as calls freezing, activation problem, or FaceTime simply not working. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first you should enable FaceTime. When FaceTime is disabled, you won't be able to make or receive calls, which is often the simplest reason for the app not working after an update. Therefore, it's essential to verify that FaceTime is enabled on your device before exploring more complex solutions. For this, go to Settings. Next, scroll down and go to Apps section. Tap on it. Next, scroll down and go to FaceTime. Tap on it. Next, tap on FaceTime toggle button if it is disabled, and you are done. And the next step is check internet connection. A stable internet connection is fundamental for FaceTime to function properly. If your calls are freezing, dropping, or failing to connect, the issue might be related to your network rather than the app itself. For this, open Safari or any other app that requires the internet to check if your connection is working. Run a speed test app or website such as speedtest.net to verify your internet speed and stability. If on Wi-Fi, try toggling Wi-Fi off and on. For this, open the control center, then tap on Wi-Fi icon to disable it, and after some time tap on it again to enable it, and you are done. And also go to Settings. Next, scroll down and choose General option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset and choose Reset Network Setting. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset network settings on your iPhone, and you are done. And the next step is restart FaceTime and your device. For this, go to Settings. Next, scroll down and go to Apps section. Next, scroll down and choose FaceTime. Next, scroll down and tap on FaceTime toggle button to disable it, and then hold the power button and the volume down button together. A slider will appear, so slide to power off, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. When your device turn on, go to Settings and then go to FaceTime to toggle it on, and you are done. And the next step is verify Apple ID and phone number. For this, go to Settings. Next, scroll down, go to Apps section, scroll down and choose FaceTime. Next, ensure you have signed in with your current Apple account. Under You can be reached by FaceTime at, ensure your phone number and email addresses. Under Caller ID, select the number or email you want to display, and you are done. And the next step is review restrictions and permissions. If FaceTime or camera apps are missing or disabled, it could be due to content restrictions or parental control on your device. For this, go to Settings. Next, scroll down and go to Screen Time option. Next, scroll down and choose Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then choose Allowed Apps and Features, and make sure FaceTime is toggled on, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iOS 26 FaceTime not working, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.